Welcome. Today, we're diving into the updated process of enabling message requests on LinkedIn. This feature is essential for expanding your network and connecting with professionals outside your immediate circle. Let's walk through the steps together. First, open the LinkedIn app on your mobile device. If you haven't installed it yet, you can find it in the App Store or Google Play Store. Once you have the app open, you'll be greeted by your LinkedIn feed. Next, look for the Me icon located at the top left corner of your screen. This icon represents your profile and is where you can manage your account settings. Tap on it to proceed. After tapping the Me icon, scroll down and select Settings. This will take you to a menu where you can adjust various preferences related to your LinkedIn experience. Now let's focus on privacy settings. From the Settings menu, navigate to Data Privacy. This section allows you to manage who can interact with you on LinkedIn and how they can do so. Within Data Privacy, find and tap on Messages. Here, you'll see options related to message requests and other messaging features. To enable message requests, simply toggle the option to enable message requests. By doing this, you allow users who are not directly connected with you to send you message requests. This is a great way to connect with potential collaborators, job opportunities, or industry peers. Once you've enabled this feature, you're all set. You'll start receiving message requests from individuals outside your immediate network, giving you more opportunities to expand your professional connections. Remember that managing your privacy settings is crucial for maintaining control over who contacts you. You can always revisit these settings if you want to adjust them later. That's it for today. By following these simple steps, you've successfully enabled message requests on LinkedIn. Enjoy connecting with new professionals and exploring exciting opportunities.